Find or read reviews that people are talking about SHARDOR 3-in-1 single-serve coffee machine. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. The ultimate brewing companion for all your coffee and tea needs. This versatile machine is designed to brew both K-cup pods and ground coffee, as well as teas, giving you a wide range of options to satisfy your beverage cravings. 3-in-1 brewing function. This pod coffee maker with 2 adapters and reusable capsule, works with standard K-cups and brews ground coffee or tea. Space saving. Compact design under 5.1 inches wide, fits neatly on your countertop. 5 Cuban pesos sizes. This single-serve coffee maker brews 6, 8, 10, 12, or 14 ounces cups, perfect for every occasion. Travel mug friendly. Removable drip tray fits travel mugs up to 7.2 inches tall. Self-cleaning function. Self-cleaning system preserves authentic coffee flavor. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.